So this is how you people are living comfortably on my brother's land?
Your brother's land? No!
My land now. My brother is dead. Everything he owned belongs to the family. And he is no longer here. This house, this farm, everything belongs to me now.
No, Uncle Sola.
My father built all this for his family. Boy!
Stay out of matters between adults. Please leave us alone. We have suffered enough.
You have 1 week. After that, leave this land.
Mother, we cannot lose father's land.
I know. Your father worked too hard. He loved this family. What is inside that box? I don't want to open it. It's this. I found this sealed envelope.
The video you just watched now is not real. Everything you see there, the character, the scenes, the voices, and even the dialogue were created with artificial intelligence. I use AI to generate the story ideas, write the script, design the characters, create the scenes, and produce the entire movie from scratch. And the best part is that I didn't spend the dime to create it. So in this video, I will show you the exact 4-step process I use in creating AI movies from start to finish using completely free tools. Whether you are a content creator, filmmaker, storyteller, or someone who simply wants to experiment with AI, this tutorial will help you get started. My name is Ismail. I'm an AI visual creative and you are welcome to Smile Studio. On this channel, I teach people how to use AI to create amazing videos, grow their content, and even make money with AI skills. If that's something you are interested in, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of my future tutorials. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create your story. Every movie begins with a story. Before you can create characters, scenes, or videos, you need an idea for your movie. There are 2 ways to get a story idea. The first way is to come up with the idea yourself and use AI to develop it further. You can have a story about love, betrayal, friendship, revenge, war, or real-life experience you've had. Simply take the idea to an AI platform like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, or Grok and ask it to expand the story idea for you. The AI will then help you to create detailed characters, scene breakdown, dialogue, plot twists, and even a complete movie script depending on the prompt you give to it. The second method is to allow AI to generate the story idea for you. All you have to do is to tell it to give you ideas on the kind of movie you want to create. For example, you can tell AI to generate an African village drama, an action movie, a romance story, a fantasy adventure, or a crime story. The AI platform will then generate story ideas and build the entire movie structure for you. For this tutorial, I'll be using AI to create my movie from scratch. Let's head over to ChatGPT to get story ideas. To get story idea, I head over to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. I said, give me Nigerian village movie ideas that can be completed in 4 scenes. The movie should feel like Nollywood style, contain strong emotions, family conflict, secret, greed, betrayal, love or sacrifice, and be easy to create with AI generated images and videos. Each story should have no more than 4 major characters and no more than 2 locations. This is the description of the video I want to create. I don't want the video to be longer, that's why I make it 4 scenes video. So ChatGPT is going to give me the video idea based on the description I gave to it. Now this is the result. ChatGPT provided 20 different movie ideas for me. So I'm going to pick one that I want to create my movies on. So the first one, the title is The Widow's Secret. After her husband's death, the widow struggled to keep her land. Her greedy brother-in-law claims the land belongs to him, proving the village meeting. The second one, the returned son. Okay. The third one, the bride price. Okay. The hidden twin. I think the number 1 is okay. Let me go with number 1. I want to work on the number 1 idea. So I will tell ChatGPT to develop the idea for me. I want it to turn it into a full movie script. So it's going to give me the character, the scenes, and everything I asked for in the description. The ChatGPT is going to provide them for me. This is the next prompt I use. I told ChatGPT that I love the first story idea, the video secret. I put the title of the story, then I said turn this movie idea into a complete Nigerian movie. Include character description that remain consistent throughout the movie. Describe each scene visually so it can easily be converted into AI images and videos. Include realistic dialogue. In simple English, character emotions and body language. Make every scene cinematic and emotionally engaging. After giving this instruction, this is what ChatGPT did. It provides the main character, that is Mama Bisi, Tunde, Uncle Shola, Edade, and also provide the description of each character. So if I want to create this character, these are the description I'm going to use to create those characters. After that, ChatGPT also creates the scenes. In this sense, I have the visual description of each scene. So if I want to generate the scenes, this is the prompt I'm going to use. And that's how to create your story idea and build it with AI. I will leave the prompt I used in the description. I will leave the 2 prompts in the description. You can edit it and use it to create your own movie.
Now that we have our story, it is time to bring it to life visually. I'm going to generate the images of the character and scene we want to use in the movie, which is step 2. When you are trying to do this, the first images you are going to generate are the images of your characters. This is very important because your characters will serve as references for the rest of your movie. By creating your character images first, you'll be able to maintain consistency throughout the entire film. That is, the image of your character will look the same in every scene, instead of changing appearance from one shot to another. Once your characters are ready, then you can go and generate your scenes based on your script. Now let's go and create our character and scene images.
I want to generate my image, but because of how ChatGPT give me the prompt, I have to tell it to write the prompt in a way that I can easily copy it and paste it in my image generator. It has to write all the prompts that I can use to generate all the 4 characters. It also gave me the prompt that I can use to generate the poster for the movie. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to copy each of those prompts. Then I'll head over to Nano Banana. I'm going to use Nano Banana to generate my images and scene. So I'll copy it and head over to Google Flow. I'll be using Nano Banana inside Google Flow. So go to your browser and search for Google Flow. This first one, tap on it, then click on new project. If you are signing in for the first time, you will have to sign in with your Gmail. What I'm going to do now is that I will tap on this box that is down here. I'll make sure the settings is on image. So I will set my aspect ratio to 16:9. I will also set the number of outputs per unit. So I will change it to 2. After that, I'm going to paste my prompt. After pasting the prompt, I will tap on send and my image will generate. So because I choose 2, that's why 2 images is generating. So I'll just choose the one that I like from the 2. So I'll copy other prompt as well and go and paste it there. And that's how to generate the image of your characters. So I'll copy and paste and send. The image of my first character has been generated. So this is the image of Mama Bisi. I'll just choose one from the image and that's what I'm going to use. To download the image, you see an option at the top. Let me zoom in so you can see it. You see that button. You tap on it, you can download in 1K and you can download in 2K. So I'll download in 1K and that's how to go about that. Other images has already been generated. So this is the image of Tunde. I'll download that too. You understand, that's how to generate the image of your characters. The image of Uncle Shola has been generated. Just copy and paste the image of your characters and that's how to do it. Copy the image of your character from ChatGPT and paste it on Nano Banana. This is also the image of my poster, but I don't need that now. The next thing is to go and generate the image of my scenes. So I'll head over to ChatGPT to look for the first scene. Now this is the first scene.
Now before you generate your scene, you have to make sure you read the description of that scene very well. Now if you look at this one, it says a peaceful Nigerian village during late afternoon. The sun casts golden light across the compound. A small mud house stand beside the mango tree. Several chicken roams around the yard. Mama Bisi is sweeping the compound with Tunde. Repairs a wooden stool nearby. The atmosphere feels calm but slightly lonely. Suddenly, Uncle Shola approaches with confidence. Now, if you look at this scene, you will realize that there are 3 characters in this scene, which is Mama Bisi, Tunde, and Uncle Shola. If I want to generate my scene, I will make sure I use the image of those 3 characters as my reference. This is how to do it. I'll copy the visual description of the scene I want to generate and head over to Google Flow. Before I paste my prompt, I'll make sure I upload the image of those characters in that scene. To do that, I'll tap on this plus sign. See this plus sign, let me drag it. So I'll tap on that plus sign, then upload the image of those 3 characters. Because there are too many images here and I can't identify the one that I want to use, so I'll just upload it right from my phone. So I'll click on this upload media, and I will choose the images I want to use for my phone. I already choose them and they are already loaded. So once they uploaded, I will just add them to prompt. This is the image of Mama Bisi. I'll just tap on add to prompt. Once you add to prompt, it will add to the place where you want to put your prompt. I'll click on the plus sign again. This is the image of Uncle Shola. I will add that to prompt as well. The same way I will add the image of Tunde as well. After that, I'll paste my prompt. This is an important tip. If it is necessary for you to edit your prompt, make sure you do that. In this prompt, I'm going to edit it. You see this Uncle Shola, because there are 2 males there, I have to make sure I make the platform understand which one is Uncle Shola and which one is Tunde. In this prompt now, I will make Nano Banana understand that Uncle Shola is the second reference image, while Tunde is the 3rd reference image. That's what I'm going to write here now. Depending on what ChatGPT gives you, if it is necessary for you to edit your prompt, make sure you edit it and change the settings. Make sure that your settings is on 16:9 because you are creating for YouTube. If you are creating for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, then you can use 9:16. After that, then I will send, and my scene is going to generate. I will head back to ChatGPT again to generate the second scene. So I will check it again, just like the way I did in the first scene. I will check those people that are in the second scene. Here there is Mama Bisi and Tunde. These are just the 2 characters in the second scene. So I'll copy it and head back to Google Flow. I will upload the image of Mama Bisi and Tunde. I already uploaded them when I was generating the first scene, so I can easily identify them. So this is the image of Mama Bisi. I'll just tap on add to prompt. I'll look for the image of Tunde as well. I'll tap on add to prompts. This is an easy scene to create. I don't need to describe if Tunde is the one I uploaded in the second reference image or anything. This is female and male, so the platform can easily identify them. I'll paste my prompt and tap on send, and it is going to generate. The image of my first scene has been generated, so this is how the first scene looks like. Let me check the second image so I can choose the one I like from the 2. I prefer the first image, so I'm going to choose the first image and download it. That's all. My first scene is ready. It's as simple as that. The image of the second scene too is ready, so I'm going to download this one too. There's error in the second image, so I want to regenerate to see if I can choose one, and that's one of the benefit of generating multiple images. You can easily choose the one that you like from those ones that you generate. To generate your prompt, just go to the AI platform you are using, download the description of the scene, look at the character in the scene, then use them as reference before you paste your prompt. That's how to generate your scene. It is as simple as that. In order not to make this video long, so these are all the scenes I want to use in this movie.
Step 3. Generate the video. This is the exciting part where we turn the images to videos. At this stage, I will use Google Veo 3 to animate the images and make it look like a real movie. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the image of each scene and paste the dialogue generated by ChatGPT.
It's time to turn all the images into video. So what I will do now is that I'm going to copy the dialogue. Make sure you copy the dialogue small because we are using free version of Google Veo 3 and it can only generate 8 seconds video. After copying the dialogue, I will go back to Google Flow, change the settings from image to video. I'll tap here, I'll choose video, and I'll choose the model I want to use. So I'll use Veo 3 Lite. It only costs 10 credits if you want to generate one image. And make sure your settings is on ingredient to video. The aspect ratio to 16:9 because we are creating for YouTube, as I said earlier. After that, I will upload the image of the scene I want to use. I will upload the image from my phone. So I already uploaded, so this is the first scene. I will tap on add to prompt. Then I will paste the prompt I copied from ChatGPT. Now if it also requires that you edit the prompt as well, make sure you do that. When you are done, tap on send and your first scene is going to generate, and that's how you are going to do it for the second scene and the third scene and the fourth scene. This is the video of my first scene, but because of the kind of phone I'm using, you can't hear the sound of the first scene, so I'll just download it. If you want to download it, just download it the same way you did when you are downloading your image. Tap on that button that is up there, then you download it. It will save directly to your phone. I'll go back to generate the other dialogue as well. So make sure you are copying the dialogue small like I said earlier. When you are done, then you do it for the second scene, the third scene, and now that's how to do it.
Once all your video clips are ready, the final step is editing, which is step 4. I will head over to CapCut. This is where all the clips will be joined together to make it a complete movie. So I will take all the generated scenes and arrange them according to how they should be. You can use other free editing apps like InShot, VN Editor, or any video editor you are comfortable with. Start by placing your clips in the correct order. Add effect or transition where necessary. Add audio and other important things. Editing is where the story truly comes alive. Even if your AI generated scenes are amazing, poor editing can make it feel boring. If you need a practical tutorial on how to edit your AI videos, then go and watch the video that is currently showing on your screen. In this video, I have taught you the 4 simple steps you can use to create your own AI movie using free tools. I talked about how you can create your story, generate your characters and scenes, turn your images into videos, and how you can edit everything into a complete movie. I just hand over a course people pay thousands of naira to learn for you for free. Encourage me to create more of this by liking this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below. And if you need the prompt I used to generate my story ideas, check the description, you are going to see it there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.